Here's an app called IconChic, aesthetic icon theme. So let's just try it out. This is the app where you can have a lot of different lock screen widgets. You can install themes. You can just customize a screen with home screen widgets, app icons, wallpapers. And yeah, this is just one of the numerous apps in this category, but it's just up for you. Some people like one themes, other people like another vibes. So yeah, you can just open it up and then you can just find this kind of app here. And yeah, then you can just tap continue. Here, just discard all these wallpapers. Unfortunately, it pushes you instantly to upgrade. I just wanted to try it out in a free version, what's possible. Then you can see some popular themes here. You can see how many people are using these themes. And it's quite convenient, with these apps, because you install in wallpaper, home screen widget, and app icon all in once. You don't need to customize it yourself too much. Of course, there are apps where you can literally build your own theme, just do as much customization as you want, but then it just require a lot of commitment and a lot of time. Like if you want to spend that time, yes, of course you can do that. And then there you have it. Then you also have hot themes. So like, some popular themes, and there are aesthetics, and there are icons and all of that. Lock screen, there's just like a new feature they added. You can also install these widgets on the lock screen. So how to install lock screen widgets? You need to have iOS 16, and then you go to like settings, wallpaper, and then from here you can just tap customize and add widgets from here, and then you'll just be able to add like a widget like that. So yeah, and you can customize your screen really a lot with this lock screen adjustment. So that's that. Then you also have like just regular home screen widget, and then you also have all these wallpapers. There's pretty creative wallpapers here, which you can try here. It's pretty nice, and then you can just try out all the different colors. So something, oh, this looks cool. Yeah, but I don't know how you would like use the apps here and app icons, but it looks pretty cool on this iPhone 14 Pro. And this is also nice. So yeah, in this kind of apps, you can just find some creative solutions. All right, this is kind of iPod. Yeah, this is also nice. And then you can kind of install the apps in this white area. So yeah, something like that. As you can see, possible apps, how it might look like with the apps if you just tap. Yeah, with the apps it's a bit overcrowded. But anyhow, wait, how do I exit from here? So yeah, there you have it. Of course, then you can just upgrade to get access to all themes and to everything. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. It's just up to you if you wanna use this app or you wanna explore some other apps. Of course, there are bigger apps like with bigger libraries out there. There's like widgetable app and some others which are like kind of leaders. But as you can see in this app, there are some nice creative wallpapers and specific exact theme or like category which you really like in this app, and that's why probably you can just upgrade here. So yeah, there you have it.